Cammie does an outstanding job. Her staff does a great job. They cook like they're cooking for their families. We've had 15 whole turkeys cooked at Thanksgiving, real turkeys, and they carve it up and they get real turkey dinners. When I interact with the inmates, they even talk about how good the food is.
They get that sense of home brought to them, whether it be through her cooking or her baked goods or just their kitchen items they're producing. Great to keep the morale high. It keeps inmates down from fighting. It keeps them down from altercations with staff.
I feel in my heart that I made the menus a lot better, even though I loved the matron before me. She did a really awesome job too. But what I would do in the morning, whenever I'd be drinking coffee in the morning before I got ready for work, I'd be Googling recipes all the time. And I would try them at home. And I had 2 teenage sons living at home. And I'd make it for them and see how they liked it. And then if they liked it, I would come and make it at work and tweak it. And they've also told me that they think that there's not as many fights. Everybody's belly gets filled. They get plenty of protein. They get plenty of starch, vegetables. I think it does help a lot back there because if their bellies are full, they're not going to be angry and upset.
If inmates are more satisfied, they're less tempers, less complaints, less aggression towards the staff, and that in turn makes the staff happier. They're not fighting, they're not writing people up, they're not doing disciplinary hearings. So the overall atmosphere of the jail with good food is better.
I know I told the sheriff one time if we brought in a third party, I would quit because I wouldn't be proud of what I'd be doing then. I'm proud of what I do now.